Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you the secret that cosmetic doctor hides. Nivea and rice flour will get you an amazing tight and glowing skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home. We can prepare this effective remedy. It's super effective and super helpful. The first ingredient we will need is 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and if you do have the rice, get the rice and grind it fine to a fine powder in order to use it for the remedy. Then my friends, we need Nivea cream, and we need to add around 1 teaspoon of Nivea cream. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I have the aloe vera gel, market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead in order to use it for the remedy, and add 1 teaspoon. And now we need to mix the ingredients very well. We will get a cream paste like so. Apply it on your skin. And apply a generous amount and massage the skin with it in order to get it all absorbed on your skin like so, my friends. It's making the skin tight and glowing naturally. It is super effective. Use it. As you can tell, there is difference in glowing and tight in my skin, and use it every morning in order to get the best results. It's morning cream. You can store it in the fridge, my friends, and use it every morning. It's not going to go bad. It lasts for a long time, and it's going to get you the best results.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.